Hello everyone, good evening. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mary Welse Rasmini Putri. Part 1. Baby caterpillar was tired all summer long has been traveling slowly through the green world where she lived and feeding one day. Green left near her home. Now autumn date come another nature had given a holiday to be with lavish how put on their new dress of red and gold and played tag with the brother. Baby caterpillar wanna to play too but could not run so please happy little laughers and she grew very tired and thought she would take a nap so she found a so cozy place among the branches of Argefena and mother herself a soft silky blanket. Then the rocks herself away within it, and then her clear little hardly with the sleep. One night later in the fall, Jack Fall come over the hill. He spit the cradle with ping to and fro and began to play rock with it for is a grown little fellow and toucher everything they comes is the way, but little slipper to so that Jack could not find her. By and baby King Winter come, bring snow blankets to Mother Nature. Flower habis they chilly rock the crowd as he passed and whispered, "Sleep, baby, sleep. You have no need of my blankets at all. Spring come with the sunbest wish to merit of Mother Nature helpers. They awoke the flower from her long winter nap and called the birds and the brooks to begin the thick bracket to walk off and stay at herself and her caldron broke and she come out to greet the spring and baby caterpillar began. She now had the beautiful yellow one and and the sweet spring air to play with. She flew up and away into the sunbeams and flower and the little children had a butterfly. Part 2. Not thought to make you are talking about being the military and you said you were medical. Can you explain what that is? Make yeah, I medic with no, I believe in college. Heart car special is always say it the king of seminar to king a paramedic where it not full nurses job. I think nurses have more training like in civilian side nurses but similar to paramedic where you have certain like minor producer that your tech and you training because in the military your special training for emergency situation and now to treat someone has might be come seriously life training work, you soldier job. Thought, wow, eh, that sound like difficult job, and they had your month wasted to trying to be a medic. You must have and had a lot of schooling and education. Meg, I had will everyone goes the ways the initial about to and help on like basic training in that working the basic combat skill and physical training that king of kings who you has been is just and you lost a lot of blood or maybe the shared so we talk like emergency medical technical course just like civilian that I got confided with there and we had education for the military skill like F's and emergency product the king of the king. Third, like can you explain what VI is? VIV is a triphonous like getting free to your body and definitely come back out but in little to be step in your neck sample it in your quickly and we stick and neatly enter your vein and they and then they free to go in anxious moment when the nurses or the person how going to stick the needle in. Thought so anybody that been to I was tired because were you good at doing that? Me so anxious learn how to do. I think I was pretty good and I casual enjoy and net and rarely and tricks it not a skip scrappy. Why but you count now? It was I guess because I was the decent I is that I was a party of my job yet I enjoy. For myself before when the two wrote the training I casual became the drafts and net to get and myself and Riley and the before and my led and to the nurse was going to combat your conovat net in my arm and I was like no is the her at her I just drink a lot of water and she was saying aren't you going to medic and I was like oh I haven't training yet of the it so yeah thought oh thankfully I was recently in the hospital and they had me strapped up for both Bolden for the water train revenues drip and is annoying because you can really move like if you want to get up and walk anywhere you red step with all her tubes and not very convenient. Yeah, or at least you to have to careful when I was getting heavy I did now I did definitely does stay in your arm now for something that is doing for blood maybe is different I'm not sure but yes so I was trying to be careful too but you skill you still want it to go well so you don't want to move very much thought Rexuat perstags of people for while you stay freaked out they get the netly. Make probably gore percent 25% to or really yeah if you cannot talk ask me guys will come in and weeks oh I'm fine I beat really and to give you can I and they will like they be like oh talk right yeah no oh, nobody likes that like no so you so you translation I because in the medical profession and that you moved to why did you left the medical professional for education? Made yeah, that interesting because I became medical in the military when called on ten colleagues that won't be a nurse or a doctor because I talks after so I definitely am glad that I had those bill and the things like that were and was albeit to experience but I and but my time surfing as a medical he Ben Miller was into the inside not what I want to do for my career after all. Thought how have to ever got about a like in an English kid for of being on the back burner and to them I said okay that's me revise it and to English like education like teacher, doctor and nurses. May I guess in heaven too about that specifically something I talks about going back to military English specialist to people in the medical like and so I guess that would be world relates also it could be yeah suited world the interesting something to skin about. Part 3 Answer Sue Siphon Cozy Please among the verses of a grapevine and mother herself a soft skill bracket the and the rock herself away within in and her clear little are they with the sleep too talking about small and nuggy baby Garfield how past dog season after season living in the level of stress three the little baby Garfield how differ on the level of the stress is very not the he goes day to goes day after season and the he makes a bucket with the left and fall coming he wakes up again the end tours info a beautiful little cartoon and lit and they call butterflies for I'm comfortable and work home for him to rest in the false sleep. Find tell of a little baby carpenter how full asleep in housewife ticks blanket and spring come and when how help up the star Hex is body and beautiful wing spread and little children called and butterfly.